Hazrat Yala bin Umayyah radiyallahu anhu would say, I wished I would see Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam at the time when he was being blessed with the revelation. He says, when the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was at Jirana, and over him there was a canopy of cloth over him with which he was shaded, and there were some of his companions too. A desert Arab wearing an extravagantly scented robe came to him and said, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, what is your opinion about a person who has put on a scented robe in the state of ihram? Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu called Hazrat Yala beckoning with his hand. He came and inserted his head inside to see that the Prophet's face was red and breathing heavily. This state existed for some time. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, where is the one who asked about the Umrah? The people searched for him and fetched him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to him, wash away the scent thrice you have put on and take off this robe. Then perform in your Umrah what you perform in your Hajj. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 4329.